I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Can I open the oven?
Sure, it's perfect.
Guys, she's making it again. it's happening.
No.
Oh,
It's because I'm making it.
it's the only thing. It's the only thing you. Yep.
I'm done with this.
We're still filming the same thing. These are Korean style garlic bread buns. And it's her bestseller. Link in the description bar if you're local. Woo! Wait, what? It's so big! Oh wait, I don't know how to use the dryer. Patay.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your
Korean fried chicken and kimbap.
offering the sample frame.
Ah! This one's a little bit broken.
Many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
Wait, it didn't explode. Oh yeah, it exploded. Oh, it's so cute.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
That's what Christmas is all about. I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So offering the sample frame. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
Or self-checkout. Don't forget to scan your PC Optimum card. Please scan your items now.
Oh, it's raining. Thank you.
Terrible coleslaw, shelburne, rice, and garlic bread.
Yes, thank you.
Thanks,
Take care.
enjoy.
Bye. Thank you. Secured the goods. We did it. Lunchtime. Hey everyone, it's Joe. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are documenting December daily day 12 and 13. And as you can tell from the vloggy bits, today or this weekend was actually pretty chilled out, which was great because I think it's exactly what I needed. I only have one more week of school left, which, you know, I'm so excited. It's just 5 more days and then I am off for winter break, which is very nice and very well needed at this point, especially with COVID cases rising and stuff. But I don't want to talk about that because it's a little bit depressing. But yeah, today's spread is very bright, as you can see, because of the pre-decorated pages. And I'm trying to riff off of that and using as much like red and green and yellow as I can. So I actually had this really cool, I guess this is the stamp backing actually. So I finally used up my stamps for my orders, and I decided to use the packaging actually because it's stunning. And I actually worked on like multiple journal pages. So I have this other insert that I tend to use from time to time when I have these cool ephemera bits that are like leftovers from my journaling session. I think a lot of people do this. Like you keep like another notebook open so you can spill over whatever you're using, or if you have like extra washi tape, you put it in another journal spread. That's what I'm doing right now. So I wanted to use that little border that came with this stamp set, and I just use it in my other journal insert because I intended to use the illustrated portion of that stamp set. The packaging for the stamps is actually quite cool this year because I think Canada Post changes like their featured artists each year, and I think the artist this year is Maud Lewis. I need to check, but I'll link it in the description bar. But it's really fun, and I really like the colors. It matches the red plaid on the right hand side of the spread. And I actually worked in reverse today. I worked on the December 13th spread instead of the December 12th spread. Today's journaling session was pretty straightforward as well. I wanted to actually bust out some Posca paint markers and do a little bit of doodling, but I wanted to just keep it simple just because I haven't been feeling very well this specific weekend. I wasn't really feeling like painting or drawing that much. Weirdly enough though, at the time of recording this voiceover, I just worked on a little painting, and I was working on a commission for a friend this whole weekend. Maybe that's why I felt like not doodling or drawing, because I was spending most of my creative energy on that. I'll share the commission when it's a little bit more finished, and I have to ask my friend if I can show it online too. But yeah, this is what the spread looks like. On the right hand side of the spread, it's just a concealed like tip in that exposes the date and a little bit of space for journaling. And then I use this little Christmas card that came with the treat box that my sister received from a friend. I think it's her Christmas gift, which is super unique, and it's all handmade and homemade. But I really enjoyed those hot chocolate bombs. I think I kind of messed it up because I wasn't supposed to put that much chocolate. You're supposed to put a little bit of, actually no, I put way too much milk actually. You're supposed to let the milk kind of melt the chocolate a little bit and then continue pouring, so it actually explodes and you can see a cooler explosion. But mine was just a little fizzle, but I thought it was still cool, and it was very delicious because I love anything like peppermint chocolate flavored things. I like, yeah, any like peppermint bark, any holiday minty stuff I enjoy. So good. But yeah, that little card made it into this journal spread because I wanted to make sure that cool hot chocolate bomb made it into my journal. I also had this leftover quote thing that came with my Nando's order. It just says, "Flavor and spice make the holiday nice." Thought it was cool, and I added that to the left hand side of the spread, even though that side of the spread is dedicated to December 12th, but I thought it was okay because it's in the tip-in and it's only going to be seen by me. And then that like kind of messy paper on top of that little quote is actually just I think that's my scrap piece of paper that I stamped or used to clean my stamp, but I thought it looked cool, so I just added that there. And I added a little note with an arrow there explaining that I had Nando's on the 13th. And I've been actually enjoying using fountain pens again. I know I kind of have, well, it's not really a love-hate relationship. I just go through phases of when I like using it. I still enjoy using this medium nib TWSBI Eco over my Diamond 580 just because this one writes so smoothly, and I kind of want to swap the ink out, but this ink is beautiful. I'm using the Pilot Orochi Shizuku ink in the gray color. I forget the specific name, but it's one of my favorite inks, and I think it might be the first bottle that I'll actually finish because I always use that ink with this specific pen. But that is the completed journal spread. Very simple. I just realized I don't have any of those fun slow motion shots for this video, but that's all right. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you for the next December daily video. See ya.